feel the atmosphere. Should I still a number on the sands of time? Put your feet out, climb out, switch your legs, then jump back, pull your string, check your weight. Let go, and let gravity take you out to place. Get your feet out, climb out, switch your legs, then jump back, pull your string, shake your weight. And let gravity.
Cody, what'd you think about that, buddy?
That was awesome.
Gravity's cool, isn't it?
Yeah, it's hard to get a feel for that speed up there. You don't even realize how fast you're going.
I know, isn't it great? Welcome to our world, man. Would you do that again?
Oh, every day.
Nice. Welcome to the School Human Flight, buddy.
I'd love to do that.